Hello guys, and welcome to another terrarium build. This one's a little dirty. I'm not going to bother cleaning it right now. I cleaned the outside of the glass, but we're just going to get going. I know I'm probably not doing this right, but I'm going to put a bunch of gravel. I've got some aquatic substrate. You know what? I'm not going to pick that whole bag up because it's a 20-pound bag. I'll just show you. It's right there. So we'll put that stuff down at the bottom. I don't know. I don't really feel like I should pour this in there because, yeah, it's glass. So we'll probably just, I'm just going to put it in there by hand. I don't know, or at least a layer. So if I do, the tank's already broken down in the corners down here. It's got cracks. I'm not too concerned about those, but I'm sure all I need is rocks hitting bare glass. I don't know how many rocks this is going to take. Oh, I don't want to dump them on the floor. Now, it has been many years, and I've never really had a successful terrarium. My father used to grow violets in terrariums. So I'm just going off memory, off what he used to do. I think he used to put like some kind of charcoal or something down at the bottom of them as well. I kind of have a memory of that, but I guess, you know, I talk like my dad's not here anymore. I could just call him and ask him, but we're going to learn on our own here. I don't know what I'm going to put in here yet, if anything. Okay, now I feel more comfortable about just pouring. Now that there's at least a layer. I don't know how much is too much. I definitely don't want to put too much, but that should be fine, you think? Oh, that's a pretty rock. That should be fine. It's just for drainage. You guys think that's good, or should I? Let's do a little bit more. Like I said, we're learning. Whoa. Slow down, cowboy. A little bit more, I said. I got to save some of those rocks for another project I have. Now, before we put the dirt in there, I'm going to be putting this on a stand. I have the stand right here. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's an old nightstand that the drawer's like broken out. I don't know where this is going to go yet, but yeah. Okay, let me go get some dirt. I left it outside. I am not entirely sure how much dirt this is going to use. So we're just going to start pouring. This is a Miracle Grow Expert Gardener potting mix. Is it Miracle? It's, oh no, I guess Expert Gardener is, I thought it was, anyway, it doesn't matter. It's potting soil. It's dirt. Let's put some dirt in the tank. How about that? This is very anticlimactic. Let's spread some of this out because we don't want too much. That should be enough, you think? God, I don't know. I don't think that's enough. Just go with a little bit more. Hello. Okay. I'm feeling good about that right there. I'm feeling good about that right there. So now we need Gosh, I wish I had some kind of decoration to put in there, but I really don't right now. I'm gonna have to figure that out. So like I said, I don't know what I'm gonna put in this yet. I've got the lights. I'll get the lights put on it. We'll get it all worked out. We should probably give it a little drink. Get some moisture in there. I'm definitely going to grow some type of moss in here. I don't know what type, but some type for sure. I need a new spray bottle. This thing is junk. Junk, junk, junk. Sorry, it's right in your face, but there's not really a whole lot I could do about that. Because it's junk. God, it doesn't even look like the... Oh yeah, there we go. I see it going down into the rocks. You know what we should put here? We should put one of those plants we put in the other terrarium. Oh, let me go. I'm gonna pause this video. I'm gonna find decoration. I am absolutely going to find some kind of decoration to put in there, and then I think we're gonna put one of those in there too. So okay, I'll be back. I got a couple of things we could put in there for decor for right now. I got a couple of rocks which I know are safe. These have been on top of my 500-degree wood stove for like 3 months, so I'm pretty sure they're safe. And then I've got this old reptile water bowl, which I think I want to put it in here like a lake. Do you know what I'm saying? Like a lake. Put it over here. And I can put water in there, and that, I'm sure that will help with humidity. Like I said, guys, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm thinking some moss around the water bowl. And then, I hate to do it, but we're going to put the rest of these in here. I'm thinking we're going to put these kind of back here in the corner for now. We'll put them back here, see how they work out. And we'll put some moss over here, and then we'll probably fill it in later. I don't know what else to do. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. So let me put... Let's actually get some moss in there. Now we're going to use this moss here, which came with the other terrarium that we did on the last video. If you guys remember that, how could you forget, right? And I'm just going to kind of stuff it in the corners there. Maybe put a little bit back in here. I don't know what this is going to do. I don't know if it's just for looks or if it will actually grow. I just don't know. I mean, if it grows, that'd be kind of sweet, wouldn't it? But we'll just take this and we'll kind of stuff it down there for now. Put it back there. Let's get these little bits out of the water bowl. And let's get that sprayed down a little bit. Oof. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so let's take this little shovel, and I think I want to put it kind of right there, maybe. I'm thinking, I don't know. I don't know. Let's just get this out of here. Let's get it over with. I hate doing this, but there we go. Right here in the back. Now let's see if we can't get this rock without, just to kind of make it look look nice for now. Put the rocks right there. Let's spray that guy down. Can I use the... Oh yeah, I can clean it off. Oh, gotta go the other way. I need a new spray bottle. Let me get this outside where I can clean it. Why doesn't that door ever close completely? Alright guys, so there you have it. I'm going to get this lid on, I'm going to get it on the stand and get the light on it, and we'll do updates on this project. I don't know when. We'll do updates on this project. And anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed, and I look forward to the next exciting project.